Hello everyone, I'm Cătălin and today we'll create a new domain called lab.com. We'll use a Windows Server 2019 Core Edition to be the first domain controller in this domain. We'll follow 4 steps. First step is to assign a fixed IP. Second step is to change the hostname. We'll do these 2 steps in server configuration menu as config. Step 3 is to add a new feature called Active Directory Domain-Services, and step 4 is install Active Directory Domain-Services Forest with domain name lab.com, also install DNS. These 2 steps we'll do in PowerShell. Let's start. I will write here sconfig. In the server configuration menu of a Windows Server 2019 Core, you can change the domain or the workgroup, change the name, add the local administrator user, configure remote management, which is enabled by default, configure Windows Update, configure remote desktop, which is disabled by default, configure network settings, date and time, also activate Windows. We'll change the IP in the network settings. We'll choose 8. Set network adapter address. We want a static IP. Set up the DNS servers. To return to main menu. Now we want to change the hostname. The computer needs a reboot. Now we write PowerShell. Step 3 is to install feature Active Directory Domain-Services. Okay, and the step 4 is to install Active Directory Domain-Services Forest and also DNS. We need to choose a password. This password is used to log in first time in this domain controller. Do you want to continue? Yes? The installation is finished and we will reboot the server. We log in for the first time in the new domain controller. I will run sconfig. Now you can see the server is joined the domain lab.com. Computer name is server-dc1, has fixed IP, and this is the first domain controller in domain lab.com.